Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is our subject, financial management and application. And I'm going to start the first chapter, that is Introduction to Financial Management. This chapter will give you an idea of what financial management is all about. We introduce and define the concept of finance and discuss its importance. For corporation, management goal should be to maximize shareholders' wealth, which means maximizing the value of the stock. Good managers understand the importance of ethics and they recognize that maximization long run value is consistent with being socially responsible. In this chapter, we will discuss five different subset. That is the first one, 1.1 finance and introduction. Then shareholders wealth maximization, concept of time value of money, present value and future value, and the last one is the annuity. Now our first unit, that is 1.1. What is finance and introduction? Finance is a study of acquisition and investment of cash for the purpose of enhancing value and wealth. As per the prescribed book, that is the writer Brigham and Woolston, in his book, uh, in their book, they said it identified that the term finance has many facets, which makes it difficult to provide a clear and concise definition. Well, finance as we know it today grew out of economics and accounting. Economics developed the notion that an asset's value is based on the future cash flows the asset will provide, and accountants provided information regarding the likely size of those cash flows. Finance then grew out of and lies between economics and accounting. Now, what is financial management? It is also called corporate finance. It is a management of finance in order to achieve the financial objective of the organization. And in normal sense, the financial objective of any of the organization is to maximize the profit, which will ultimately increase the value of the stock of the organization. So it focuses on decision relating to how much and what types of assets to acquire, how to raise the capital needing to buy assets, and how to run the firm to maximize its value. The same principles apply to both for profit and not for profit organizations. The financial activities may include forecasting and planning, investment and financing decisions, coordination and control, transaction in the financial markets, managing risk, financing decisions, investment decisions, and dividend policy decisions. So, what value do financial managers add to business? The two core activities of financial management are to manage profitability and manage liquidity. If either of these two activities are neglected, it can lead to the demise of the organization. Hence, these two aspects guide the decision making for any financial manager. On the liquidity front, the biggest challenges faced by a financial manager are to raise funds for a business either through debt financing or through equity financing. The corporate image of the company is the brand that a finance executive manages in order to attract liquidity for the business. Therefore, floating bonds, that is the debt, or issuing stock, that is the equity, enables the corporation to arrange the money it needs to finance the assets of the business. Now, one of the questions that must be arising in the any of them or any of you who are studying this finance, okay, why study finance? Some of you might be asking yourself at this point, why do I need to study accounting and finance as I don't intend to become an accountant or a finance manager? All of you working as managers in your organizations should have a clear idea of certain important aspects of accounting and finance. As a manager, you must be involved with forward planning for the organization, for which you need to understand what the financial statement really mean. You would also be expected to decide how to limited resources available to the business should be allocated between competing options. An understanding of accounting and finance is important to carrying out these management tasks. In this aspect, one of the objective of one of the objective of this subject is to enable students to effectively communicate with their finance and accounting colleagues. Finance plays an important role not only at your work but also in your personal life. Whether you are planning to take a loan to buy a car or a house, you need to pay a fixed installment regularly over a period of time. The question arises, how much would each installment need to be and for how long? This is the question mark you must have keep in your mind whenever you intend to buy a car or house or plan to obtain a loan. At your workplace, you are asked to decide on the contribution to be invested in your any of the type of fund at every step life. You have to examine and understand financial issues for that purpose. Therefore, this is the idea of what is finance and what is financial management is all about.